Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add a video background on Wix at 2026. So actually guys, as first you all need to log into Wix, so you'll need to make sure that you're already logged in, and also you'll need to open your site from my site option right here next to the Wix logo on the top left corner. So actually we'll go and choose a custom size. Okay, just to set an example with, and after that I do want you to go and click on design sites option that's located on the top right corner of the page. So right now we are going to be forwarded into the Wix website editor. So inside it, I do want you just go to the page or section where you want the video background. So for example, we'll say with the first page, just here. Okay, so just go ahead and select it, and so actually that's an image, so we'll go with the background. Okay, so right now I want you to go and click on change background option. That's the one that's up here, and okay, so just go ahead and scroll down right here so you can choose a video just from here. Yeah, as you can see, it's an already generated video, right? So you can just choose it. You can create a video using AI, or you can just upload your own video. So you can go and click on video from here and then click on upload media, and after that just select .mp4 video from your computer and wait for it to upload, then just click apply. Okay, so keep videos less than 50 megabytes for faster loading, and the recommended length is 15 to 30 seconds, and the format is mp4. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.